The BYD Shark 6, Australia's first plug-in hybrid electric utility vehicle, has officially secured a 5-star safety rating from the Australasian New Car Assessment Program after undergoing local crash testing. However, there is a significant detail that potential buyers should be aware of. Among the few utility vehicles to achieve this top rating under the latest and most stringent standards, the 2025 BYD Shark 6 joins the Great Wall Motors, Canon Alpha, JAC 9, and Mitsubishi Triton. The plug-in hybrid vehicle performed well in several safety assessments, scoring 85% for adult occupant protection and 86% for safety assist technology. Originally, the utility vehicle was awarded an impressive 95% rating for child occupant protection. However, that score was later revised due to issues with the child presence detection system. This technology, designed to activate the air conditioning system when it detects a child in the rear seat after the vehicle is turned off, did not meet the assessment program's functional requirements. As a result, the vehicle received a 0 in that category. Another aspect worth noting is the vehicle's substantial mass and boxy front-end design, which have raised concerns regarding crash compatibility with other vehicles. With a curb weight of 2,710 kilograms, the vehicle's structure was found to pose an increased risk to occupants of smaller oncoming vehicles. During the Mobile Protection Deformable Barrier Test, which evaluates vehicle-to-vehicle impact, the Shark 6 was penalized the full 8 points. When it came to vulnerable road user protection, the Shark 6 scored 74%, equaling the Mitsubishi Triton but falling short of the Great Wall Motors Canon Alpha's 82% and the JAC T9's 87%. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe to DPC Cars, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more updates.